Will you tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Sure, you bet I do, honey.
What promises had to be completed before the puppet could become a real boy?
It was a very rocky road at first, but, you know.
Well, today is Kindle Court, and it's really exciting because we're doing the mock trial of the state of Italiana versus Geppetto, and they're trying to decide who I should live with. I think it's important for them to know that it's important to, you know, understand what's going on in a court case, and also to be a good citizen.
What was Pinocchio's family relationship to Geppetto?
They thought they were related.
I'm sure some of these kids have seen the negative side of the world. We want the kids to have sort of a positive introduction to the law. We want to encourage them to seek higher education, maybe even get them interested in law school early on.
I wasn't such a good little puppet in the beginning. I sure am glad Jimmy...
The case is, I mean, it's a realistic case in the sense that this is a sort of issue that would, it would be a child custody issue that could come before a family court.
Yeah, I mean, this could be a real case in a sense. Obviously, it's heightened by all the fantasy characters in it. But yeah, I mean, it's an actual, it would be based on a real case.
I think that Pinocchio should stay with his parent. Pinocchio should be removed from state care and placed with Geppetto as his legal parent.
Okay.